Hello, welcome to Val's Crafty Creations. Today I'm going to share with you a fun little Christmas themed memory decks card that I've just finished completing. I thought I had missed out on this swap, and I saw at the last minute that my friend Sheila was looking for a partner, so I went ahead and signed up because I just couldn't pass up the holidays without creating a themed memory decks card. So I've been eyeballing in my stash a couple of these little Jolie's Boutique Santa themed sticker packs, and I ended up choosing the smaller one because I thought that fit better on the memory decks card. The stickers and the foam pads on the back were all separating, so I thought, well, that's a good time to go ahead and get this little sticker pack used up. I looked in my stack of 6x6 paper pads, and I had this one from Echo Park, I Love Christmas, and I thought that'd be perfect because there's only just a few sheets of it left. And then I realized that the green paper had the border strips on it, and so I was going to have to sacrifice a couple of the border strips to get my green paper. They'll be already cut and future project. There was just a few of the red and green enamel dots left on the sheet, so I thought maybe I could use a few of those. They look like they would match all right. And then I had to use my red, green, and white twine. I ended up using my Nouveau glitter drops and my Nouveau crystal drops. And if you watched my Michael's haul, you'll see that I purchased this little pack, 8-piece pack of books for my swap partner, and the little 3-dimensional bottle brush wreaths, the 6-pack of those, and I'm going to share 2 with her. So, and I mentioned that she was building a 3-dimensional dollhouse, so I thought these books and these wreaths would be perfect in her dollhouse. She can put these on the window. And also in the Michael's haul, you saw I purchased these all kinds of different sticker packs. So I'm going to go ahead and share 3 of the Santas, 3 of the poinsettias. It worked out perfect. When I pulled the stickers out of the packaging to cut them apart, I realized, well, I'll just go ahead and reuse it. And so I went ahead and cut a piece of paper to fit and put the 3 Santas back on and the poinsettias, and then thought, oh, 2 of the wreaths will fit just perfect on there. So I like how that came out. I just went ahead and wrapped a yard of the baker's twine around there, and so she'll have that to use, and added a couple of the enamel dots here. And then it worked out really great. I had this little Santa left over from the border strip that I used as the bag topper for the memory decks card packaging. So pop that little guy up there, and I used one of the other border strips once they were all cut apart. I thought the Merry Christmas one would be perfect on here. To create the bag topper, I went ahead and just used the 2.5-inch piece of paper that was left over from creating the background for the stickers. So that's my goodies. We'll have that. You'll also see, if you watch my Michael's haul, that I picked up a few packages of the sticker die cuts. I thought I would go ahead and include a Santa and a reindeer and the Christmas tree. And in her dollhouse, she can stick these on a piece of paper so they'll be a little stiff, and maybe lean that towards like the side of the fireplace, or I don't know, have Santa on the rooftop. But I thought these would be really cute to add in. And I'm going to go ahead and just slip those in the package, and they'll be on the back so they can stay nice and flat when they're shipped out. So that'll be there. And then I thought I would include a couple of the little bags from my Dollar Tree bag stash. And then I'll probably go ahead and wrap everything in this Santa bag. And because we're talking about using something old, I looked through my drawer of miscellaneous odds and ends, and I found this really cute little sewing kit. I had saved several miniatures in my stash just to maybe use on some kind of a three-dimensional project, but I thought this would be really cute. My friend will add that to her dollhouse in some way. Then I also had in my miscellaneous drawer a little jar of jelly. I thought that'd be really cute in her dollhouse. And then I had this little basket. The flowers have kind of deteriorated, but she can give it new life and add some little silk flowers in there. Thought that'd be really cute. Then I also had in my Christmas box this little rocking horse from Hallmark in 1989. And I just thought that'd be so cute as a little decor in her house for the holidays. And so we have the books. Oh, and then I also found this little broom, and I'm going to include that leaning against, maybe in the kitchen, leaning against the wall. Thought that'd be really cute. And new notepads that I also got from Michael's. So I'm going to go ahead and write a note, and then I'll include a few sheets in her package. So that's the details. Oh, and then I also have gift trim. I got that at Walmart. Yeah, Walmart. And I measured it out, and it was just a little over a yard, so I thought, well, that'd be perfect. I'll tie her package with it. And then this be something she could wrap around the railings of the front of the house. And so here is the Memory Decks card. And as you can see on the bag topper here, here's the strip with the Santas on it. I had to go ahead and cut it off, so that was laying on my desk, and as I shared when I created the bag topper for the goodies, that was just perfect. So, yep, so I had to add a little bit more of the red and white baker's twine here, some of the enamel dots, and this whole strip is popped up. And I had a hard time deciding which paper to put in the background, but I really like the wreath. And she can go ahead and pop that out. Maybe use that as a background on another Memory Decks card. So you can see the plaid paper in the background and the green paper. Once I cut apart the sheet of border strips, I just chose one that I possibly wouldn't use in the future and went ahead and ran that through the die cutting machine and made that fit. Perfect right across the bottom there. So here is the little Santa Jolie sticker. I went ahead and glued it all back together, and it worked out great that the dimensional stickers were coming off, because then I could add a few more and make him fully popped up instead of just a little dot here and there. And this little envelope was a paper clip that I received. I thought it was really cute, the little note coming out of it, but the paper clip was starting to come off, and it was kind of coming apart, so I wanted to give that new life. And the envelope came with this cute little gold bow on it, but I didn't think that really fit with my project, because in the sticker pack was this little present that's made with silver paper. So I thought, well, I'll save the gold bow for another time. It turned out that the little note that was stuck inside the envelope had gold pen around the edge and a little gold star at the corner. So that probably would have worked, but I went with more of the red, green, and white and added the baker's twine bow, and I thought it needed the red metallic paper from Michael's, and I thought that Santa needed a little dressing up, so that's where I used my glitter drops. I went ahead and put the glitter drops on his cuffs and the rim of his hat and the pom-pom on his hat, cuff of his coat, cuff of his pant legs. And then I thought the boots needed a little jazzing up, so I put some of the crystal drops on his boots and on his buckle. And the ho-ho-ho needed a little bit more dimension, so I got a full dimensional on that, popping that up. And then the little star that came in the sticker pack, I put that right there, just to give this other star a little bit more dimension. And then these are the candy canes that came with the Santa Claus. And to give them a little more dimension, I put some of the clear drops on it. I thought they needed a little bit of shine, so I've added the glitter drops to them and the enamel dots, and yeah, I think it came out really cute. So yeah, it was great to use a few things that were, like I say, coming apart and needed a new life, and now all these little miniature things that were just sitting in my drawer will get a new life. Finished packaging it all up. I got the silver trim tied around it and the little wreath here on the front. And I have one of the sheets of paper here that I still need to write my note on, and I'll just go ahead and tuck that in front. And we've got the Santa bag, and so that'll fit perfect, and I'll go ahead and get it in an envelope and off to my swap partner today. Well, look in your stash and see what stickers or items that you can give new life to. I hope my swap partner Sheila enjoys her Memory Decks card and all the little goodies to decorate her dollhouse with. I sure enjoyed putting all this together, and I appreciate you stopping by Val's Crafty Creations. You take care, and I'll be back again soon with another crafty video.